In this video, I'll show you how to upload PDFs to Claude AI quickly and easily. This is helpful if you want Claude to summarize, analyze, or answer questions about a document. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged in to my Claude account and on the main chat screen. Next, I'll move my cursor to the message box at the bottom of the screen where I normally type my prompts. On the left side of the message field, I'll click the plus icon to open the upload options. From the menu that appears, I'll choose the option to upload a file. After clicking that, a file browser window will open on my computer. Here, I'll navigate to the location where my PDF file is saved. I'll select the PDF I want to upload, then click Open. Once the upload finishes, the PDF file will appear inside the message area in the chat. From here, I can type a prompt asking Claude to summarize the document, explain specific sections, extract information, or answer questions about the file. When I'm ready, I'll click the Send button to submit the message along with the PDF. Claude will then process the document and generate a response based on the content of the PDF. And that's it. I've successfully uploaded a PDF to Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.